I'm gonna make a pasta dish. It's vegan. And these are my ingredients. My pasta, parsley, oregano, salt, pepper, paprika, and some roasted garlic and soy sauce. And I'm gonna put a little olive and chickpeas, spinach, and pumpkin, garlic, onions, and coconut. I'm gonna make some coconut sauce. Make my sauce from coconut. So I'm gonna put these in there. I'm gonna use warm water to blend. Not hot, just warm. Just warm water. But you can get all of that oil out of the coconut. That's it. I got a little bowl from over here. We just squeeze. Get all of that. See how rich that milk is? You get more out of the coconut when you use some warm water. We're gonna juice it one more time, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yes. Oh, Lord, my hand is separate. It's wet. Okay, come on. Okay, help me here. You the man. This rich, juicy coconut milk. Okay, there you have it. Turn this on. A little olive oil. Not a lot because there's oil in the coconut. Just to saute the garlic. I like a lot of garlic. I think I need me some more onions. There you go. Okay. Is that? Cut these up. This is my pumpkin. Gonna peel this in the meanwhile. I'm gonna cut these in cubes. How pretty that is. So that's it. Now that is ready for the coconut milk, man. I'm gonna leave some of this. I think that's enough. Yes, that's our sauce. A little soy sauce. That's enough. A little paprika for color. Just a pinch of salt. Some black pepper. That smells so good when the black pepper hit the pan. Roasted garlic. Now we gotta get our pasta going. Oh, we're gonna put some of these in it and save some to puree some of it. We're gonna puree the rest. Put a little water on it, that's it. Doesn't dry out too much by the time the pasta is ready. Back in Jamaica, we would have called this ital stew. So I'm making some Jamaica ital stew, which they would say here vegan. Some say it's ital stew. You see how that look like it break? That's how it is when you cook coconut. It break, but it's good. See how what they call run down back home. See, I have to give that a little time to cook before I drop the pasta, because I don't want the pasta to cool right there in the So these are what I'm going to use next. Get me some pretty warm. Okay, I'm gonna puree and then I'll be right back. This is my sauce, guys. Can you see how thick that is? Creamy. I puree some of this is my chickpeas puree. That's what gives it that creaminess. Just putting the rest in. And the coconut give it a good flavor. You don't need any cheese or nothing. Like that puree becomes like your cheese. See how thick it is and look cheesy without cheese. Okay, I'm just waiting for my pasta to drop my pasta in. I like my pasta al dente, not too mushy. Time to go. Okay, is this ready? Ready to go. Pasta facial. My sauce is ready. Here you go, guys. Look how creamy that is. Look how creamy that is. We don't want any cheese. I want some parsley. Oregano. Fresh. I put some powdered ginger in it also. I put it earlier. This one. The powdered ginger in it too. It's already in. I don't want it to cook too much. Seems like it need a little more sauce. That sauce is so thick, so I'm gonna just put a little warm water inside of it. Look at that, guys. So yummy. You can see those chickpeas, and this is my little warm water to just loosen up that sauce. See, now you're talking. Okay, guys. Get over here. If you ever smell this thing, the beans are creamy, buttery, coconut flavor. Those pumpkin squash. There you have it, Jamaica ital stew. That's our vegan meal. They always have some type of greens in it, whether callaloo or pop chow. These are the beans, chickpea, and it just buttery, and the pasta is al dente, creamy, yummy. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, thanks for coming into my home one more time. God bless you. Stay safe and remember to wash your hand. God bless you. Bye.